We had a chance to meet Kate Vananova, Head of Color and Trim at ŠKODA Auto, responsible for the design of the new fully electric ŠKODA Enyaq IV, and asked her a few questions. So come and join us.
I'm getting inspiration from daily life, also from fashion, architecture, from nature, and actually from all people which I'm meeting every day. I would say all recycled materials, sustainable materials, and I would say that we should go to the zero waste. My favorite design selection, actually I have two. It's definitely sweet in cognac color and as well watch. For me, it has to be comfortable, timeless, soft and cozy.
We had a chance to meet Stefan Wiebelhorst, Color and Trim Project Lead at ŠKODA Auto, responsible for the design of the new fully electric ŠKODA Enyaq IV, and asked him a few questions. So come and join us.
We do a lot of research on international fairs, a lot of visual research for pictures, and also we have a lot of material research itself, because it's not only the look, it's also the feel that is necessary to achieve a great product. I think the materials of the future are much more reusable, they are much more sustainable. I think reusability and sustainability are the two future trends that we will see much more in the car. I have to say it's the Enyaq Lodge level, a combination of recycled polyester with a high wool content. I think that reflects a lot the new direction of the car industry itself, and the wish of having a lot of comfort in your car. I think by haptics, it is very rich. You don't only want to see nice design, you also want to feel it.